We're going to take a look at the script GiantLeap.exe, which controls the installation process of Linux and X2Go on the server. Kind of taking a look at the script from top to bottom, and it's around 600 lines. You can see lots of comments at the top. We'll take a quick look at that. You can see, hey, this script does a lot more than just install. It has a bunch of functions. So we want to look at the install part, but we'll take a look at what the script does, because this is distilled knowledge. This is the stuff that you want to know, but you didn't know when you just installed it and let it go. Cleanup utility, never used. Okay, installing software. Okay, here's a subroutine that will install a piece of software in Linux, and it does it a few different ways. The thing to notice is over here on the side, it's making a log file, GiantLeap log. If something goes wrong in your install, take a look at that log file. There might be something there that'll give you a hint on what the heck happened to you today. Routine for installing a compiler. Normal users don't do that. Website connector. Oh, that's where it is. The application software. Not big for you guys, but this is where you would click in your application as opposed to mine, and you still take advantage of all the automated install and X2Go stuff. Now let's take a look at the bottom here. And here's where you can see all of the commands, what it's going to do. It could do backup, the cleanup thing we looked at, editing. Oh, that's where it connects up to word processing. Install. Okay, that's what we want to look at. Let's go take a look at the install. High level installation logic. Okay, it's repositories, which is places you get software in Linux. And here we go. We're installing the application. That's that little routine we looked at. This is where you might change the script to make it work a little better for you. Installing backup systems, installing printing. Printing's a big pain in the butt. Here's X2Go. That's an important part. That's your remote access software. From a tech point of view, really, a lot of people look at this video just to see how X2Go works, because we've got a pretty good setup here. And then setting up some desktops and some users. The script takes care of pretty much everything for you. Let's go take a look at that X2Go part if we can find it. And it has to be here someplace. It couldn't be anyplace else. There's a bunch of adding users. Okay, we're coming up, I can tell. Okay, here's X2Go. This is key. This is a beautiful piece of software that's not really well documented. Maybe I can give you a few hints here. Installing RPMs. You know, we looked at that. This is pretty basic stuff, but these is exactly the commands that you need to make this thing work. X2Go works on SSH, secure shell. Here's the secure shell setup. You don't have to set up secure shell. The script does it for you. It starts up X2Go and talks about printing. There is a lot of stuff here. You should take a look at it. You can learn a lot here. And if you have questions, you might even, send me an email, mikeg@giantdatabase.com. Maybe I can help you out with your problem. Take it easy now. Bye.